So I recently got this new stone bath mat that I want to replace my cloth ones with in my house. And the reasons why are listed right here. Non-slip, super absorbent, inhibits bacteria, quick dry, and durable. So I'm going to unbox it and see how it looks inside of my bathroom. Wrapped in bubble wrap as well as some non-slip material here. Here's what it looks like. And there's also a piece of sandpaper because it does say for long-term maintenance if it starts to get discolored or less absorption over time to use the sandpaper to rub it down. All right, I'm gonna take it out of the bubble wrap here. All right, that was definitely a two-handed job with the bubble wrap because it was so tightly bound, but I wasn't sure. I thought this plastic part would come off, but it looks like it's permanent. Plastic is what keeps the stone panels together because the biggest selling point, besides it being stone, is that this bath mat can roll or fold up. So if you want to store it in the corner or just not have it flat all the time, you can do that. So now let's go ahead and see how it looks inside of my bathroom, as well as do a drying test. All right, so I put the non-slip pad down first, and then laid the mat down on top of it, and you can see that I'm pushing really hard and definitely is not slipping around. And I think this color actually works pretty well. It's like a light gray, just because the rest of my bathroom tile is also that color. And I've got some water here. We're gonna sprinkle it on and see how quickly it absorbs. So I don't know if you can see, but it actually is absorbing and drying pretty quickly. I have another one of these. It's flat though, it doesn't fold. And I know from experience that the water droplets themselves, they'll take a little bit more time to dry, so it'll look like it's wet. But if I actually were to touch it right now, it is totally dry. So it does indeed absorb and dry very quickly, even though these little water, I don't want to call them stains because they're temporary, but the water droplets will take a little bit more time to become more uniform.